hey, you can borrow my belief that it's okay to want to lose weight. And then you wanting to lose weight is actually like a radical act of self-love if that's what you want and you like your reasons. If you're doing it because you want to get a promotion at work and you're like, this was me, I was in pharmaceutical sales for a while, and I was like, I got to be skinnier because skinnier equals better equals more sales, right? And if you like your reasons for wanting to lose weight and they are true and they are authentic to you and you like why you want to do it, then I think that that is one of the greatest acts of self-love that you can go act on. By ignoring that little voice inside of you that's like, this just isn't right. It's sort of like what you were talking about. You're like, I have my emotional health dialed in, I have my mental health, I have my spiritual health dialed in. It's like there's this physical piece. And that little voice inside, if it's kind of like nagging at you, like, hey, this is something that we need to look at so that we can live our most authentic life. Like that is an act of self-love. So I really want to give people permission that it's okay to want to lose weight, and it has nothing to do with you loving yourself. In fact, it probably has something to do with you loving yourself if you do take the next step to going and losing weight for the last time.